Good morning, folks. Today we are going to continue our chapter on trigonometry. In previous class, we have seen some of the trigonometric ratio: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Now let us move to the next part of the trigonometry, where we have to specify some angles and corresponding values of these ratio with respect to the angles. So let us see what are they. There is one table in which those ratios are given and their values are given on the basis of some of the specific angles. What are the angles? Let the theta be first 0 degree, second 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 angles we are having. Write 0 below the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide all these number by 4. 4 divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. Remember that we have to start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide whole numbers by 4. Now taking the under root of this. Under root of 1 by 4, under root of 2 by 4, under root of 3 by 4 and under root of 4 by 4. After this, we have to write sin theta cos theta tan theta cosec theta sec theta and cot theta. Now this cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, means inverse of sin theta. This sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, means inverse of cos theta is sec theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, which means that inverse of tan theta is cot theta. Now let us see the values. 0 by 4 will be 0, under root of 0 will be 0. So 0 over here. Now under root of 1 is 1, under root of 4 is 2. So 1 by 2. Now 2 by 4 can be simplified by under root of 1 by 2. This 2 will get cancelled out with this 4. This will be 1 by 2. So under root of 1 will be 1 and under root of 2 will be under root of 2 only. After this, under root of 3 will be under root of 3 and under root of 4 can be written as 2, because 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So pair of 1, 2 we can take out. 4 get cancelled out with 4, so it will be 1. So under root of 1 will be 1. So sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 degree is 1. After this, take this one and substitute, keep over here. So will be getting 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, taking 1 by 2 over here and taking 0 over here. Just start from the right hand side. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Now divide sin theta values by cos theta for tan theta. Divide sin theta value by cos theta to get tan theta. Means 0 by 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. 1 upon root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 will get cancel out and get 1. So this will be 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. This 2 will get cancel out with 2, means root 3 by 1. So value will be root 3. Now 1 upon 0 is not defined. Something upon 0 is not defined. Now cosec theta is inverse of sin theta, means we have to take the value in inverse for sin theta. So 1 upon 0 is not defined. Inverse of 1 upon 2 will be 2 upon 1. So this will be 2. Inverse of 1 upon root 2 will be root 2. Inverse of root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. And inverse of 1 will be 1. Now sec theta is inverse of cos theta. Taking inverse of 1 will be 1. 2 by root 3. Root 2. 2 upon 1. And 1 upon 0 will be not defined. Now cot theta is inverse of tan theta. Inverse of tan theta means 1 upon 0 is not defined. Root 3 by 1. 1 upon 1. 1 upon root 3. And 1 upon not defined is 0. So these are the particular values for given angles for the given ratios. So in this manner you have to make the table for different angles for corresponding ratios. Let us move to the question based on this table. Taking the question from exercise 8.2, question number 1, evaluate the following. First part. This is question number 1, exercise 8.2 of NCERT. First part, sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. We have to solve this. Now first we have to see the sin 60 value in table. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30. See the value in the table. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then sin 30. Sin 30 will be 1 by 2. Sin 30 will be 1 by 2 and cos 60 will be 1 by 2. Now 2 into 2 will be 4. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. Means root 3 square will be 3 plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. Solving this further, 4 by 4 cancel out, we will be getting the value 1. So in this manner we have to solve the question based on this specific values on angles. Let us move to the next question. One more question is there. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. We have to solve this. Now this constant 2 will be remain same. Tan 45 is 1 and square. Now cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 and we have to take the square value. So square minus sin square 30. Sin square 60. Sin square 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and square term. Now plus root 3 by 2 square will be 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 square will be minus 3 by 4. This 2 into 1 will be 2. This plus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 will get cancelled and the required value will be 2. So this is the solution for these two questions. Now let us move to the next question. Choose the correct option and justify your choices. We are given with 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 2 will remain as it is. This will be 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 30 means 1 upon root 3 square. Now solving this will be 2 by root 3. Now 1 plus 1 square will be 1, root 3 square will be 3. Further solving this, we will be getting 2 by root 3, cross multiplying and solving. This will be 3 plus 1 upon 3, 2 upon root 3 upon 4 upon 3. Now this 3 will go on top and this 4 will multiply with this root 3. So this will be 2 into 3 upon 4 into root 3. This 2 and 4 can be cancelled out. So this will be 1 by 2. 3 and root 3 get cancelled out. So this will be root 3. So the answer will be root 3 by 2. Here some options are given. First sin 60, second cos 60, third tan 60 and sin 30. You have to see these values in the table, which is root 3 by 2. So first is tan 60. Tan 60 is not there. Cos 60 is not there. Sin 60 is there. Sin 60 is root 3. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 can also be written as sin 60. So this is equal to sin 60. This manner we have to solve the question. Let us see one more question on this. One more question is there. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3. This is question number 3 of exercise 8.2. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is 1 by root 3. Find the value of A and B. We have to identify the value of A and B. Now let us see first. Tan A plus B is root 3. When tan is root 3, check in the table. Tan is root 3 at 60 degree. So this root 3 can be written as tan A plus B is equal to tan 60 degree. Root 3 can be written as tan 60. This tan will get cancelled out with this tan. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This is first. Now second, tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Check in the table. Tan 30 degree can be written as 1 by root 3. Means tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A minus B is equal to tan 30 degree. This tan will get cancelled out with this tan. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. This is second equation. Now solving 1 and 2. A plus B is equal to 60. A minus B is equal to 30. Now solving the two equation by elimination method. This B will get cancelled out. A plus A will be 2A and 60 plus 30 will be 90. Taking 2 in the denominator, this will be 90 by 2 means 45 degree. So A is 45 degree. Substituting the value of A in any of these equations, A plus B is equal to 60. A is 45 plus B is equal to 60. Now taking this 45 in the right hand side, B is equal to 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 will be 15 degree. So B is equal to 15 degree. A is 45 and B is 15 degree. So I hope you got the ideas how we have to solve these trigonometric angles numerical. Thank you. We will be continuing in the next